Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with another summertime swap reveal. This next artist that I am going to be revealing, her name is Dee, and the name of her business is OHSOBOHO earrings. So I am going to make sure that I leave Dee's information down inside the description box just in case you all want to go over and check out her site. She is on Etsy. So we're going to go ahead and get into this swap. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're going to go ahead and get into this swap. So first, I'm going to go ahead and open up this package that Dee sent me. Dee, I love. You have a print on your packaging, and I love that. You have your name on your packaging. So I'm going to open up my gift that she sent me because I have been doing that for this swap, because for some reason when the ladies send me stuff in and I wait, I never get a chance to do a video of it. So I'm going to share this with you all. These are my goodies. So before I get started, I want to say, Dee, I greatly appreciate you, Queen, for participating in this summertime swap reveal, and also allowing yourself to be a blessing to one of the queens here in the group and sharing your gifts and talents with the world. So let's go ahead and get into this. So my first item that I'm pulling out is a tower game. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is nice. Wow. Thank you so much, Dee. So that'll keep me occupied. And she also sent me, oh wow, some wire. Oh, I love this color, Dee. Oh, this is 20 gauge, 10 yards. Oh, I love this color. Oh, I'm going to have to make something with this. Thank you so much, Dee. Wow. That's nice. And let me open up this here. Look at this. Look at this. Let me move this. Oh, wait a minute. Now, I don't know if she wants me to read the card, but I'm going to put the card right there. But I need y'all to see this packaging. Oh, so boho earrings. Look at this. She got a flower. Wow, this is gorgeous. Wow. So let me see what I got. Oh, wow. See, this is beautiful. Oh, wow. Thank you. Look at that. Oh, this is for me. As you can see, I have not opened any of this. I'm opening it as y'all are watching me do it, okay? And this tape that's on here is really, I think I may need my scissors, but I don't know where they are right now. All right, let's just see. Try to get to the okay. Oh, Dee. Oh, these are beautiful, D. Look at these earrings. Wow, I got 2 pair of my own. Oh, thank you so much, D. I greatly appreciate it. Peace and blessing. Yeah, because you know I always say this, D. That's like my slogan. Oh, these are so gorgeous. Oh, thank you, Queen. Oh, this is so special, y'all. Wow. So let me put this stuff back in so I can get to the actual swap. This was my stuff that I was showcasing. Okay. Wow. Thank you so much, D. I greatly appreciate it so very much, sweetheart. So very much. Wow. I don't have to buy anything, y'all. I think I got enough jewelry and enough. Y'all, I'm just so grateful and thankful. Thank you so much. I'm not going to put that back in there. I'm going to put them right in here. This is so nice. Wow. This is really nice. And it's thoughtful. It's awesome. Okay, y'all. So now we're going to go ahead and get to the main event. So she sent in, I'm going to just take these and put them one by one. I don't know which one is which for the month of which, but I will see. I have 3 of them. Love, love, love the packaging. Okay. All right. So, all right, let's get into this. So we have a little extra, but I'm not going to open this because I'm just thinking that this is extra. And I'm sure it goes with one of these. So let me see here. I have this one. This has the pink. And, okay, so this is the stuff that she wants me to wrap it up. All right, so here we go. We're going to open this one up. Oh, wow. This is good. Look at this. Look at this. Wow, you are true to your shop. Look at this. This is too cute. Wow, look at this, y'all. Earrings. Wow. This is just too cute. These earrings are really gorgeous. Beautiful, D. This is so beautiful. So that's her first item. This is beautiful. I'm going to slide this right back in. Gorgeous. Y'all will be getting, like I said before, you're getting some really gorgeous items. Absolutely gorgeous. So here is this one. And this has the blue. Oh, wow. Look at these. Wait a minute. Let me move this. Look at these. And look at this. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at these earrings, queens. Wow. Absolutely, hands down, gorgeous. Look at that. The work and everything that went into this. It's just simply gorgeous. Everything is so beautiful. So put together so very well. Yeah, so put together so very well. Okay. And her very last item is, start this in here. Yeah, so I know when to ship them out. D, wrap them in this and put them in this and seal this up. And this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. So her last item is this right here. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, silky, silky. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Like, everything that you've made stands true to your shop. Look at this. Wow. This is gorgeous, y'all. Like, this is gorgeous. Wow. I can't get over this. Look at that. Look at this. The inside. Look at the inside of it. Do you see that? And then look on the outside of it. And the bottom. Well, first of all, D, this is your very first swap with us. So this is just straight up awesome. The name of your business is awesome because everything goes along with your business, everything. The OHSOBOHO, awesome, awesome. Your packaging, hands down, everything is just gorgeous and beautiful. So I want to say thank you for my gift. I greatly appreciate it. And I know for a fact that whoever gets this will be so pleased. And I mean, that goes for everybody. You know, everybody who's participating in this swap will be so pleased because y'all, hands down, are bringing it with this swap. So I want to say thank you so very much for allowing yourself to walk in your greatness and to be a blessing to one of the queens here in the group. I greatly appreciate you so very much, sweetheart. And with that being said, for those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that all bell button that is on the side so that when I upload more videos, because I got so many more of these coming, you will definitely be notified. Please like and share this video. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.